The Game of Men. How to make a man fall in love with you in 90 days or less. Are you looking for a long-term commitment from a man but feel like you're getting the runaround? Maybe you're with a man now and wondering if he's the one. Or are you in a relationship now that you feel deep down inside is falling apart? Is your current dating strategy getting you nowhere? Well, worry no more, ladies. Did you know that according to recent studies, most men not only fall in love sooner than women, but in the United States alone, researchers have discovered 3 times as many men than women were the first to even say the words, "I love you," in a relationship, while most women said it took several months. So making a man fall in love in 90 days or less is real. The buttons to push are already embedded in his mind. But it's just a matter of knowing what techniques to use and unlock them. To find out more, simply click on the link right below this video. Discover the shocking secrets on how to unlock the male mind and understand his game so well he will be addicted to you forever. Go ahead and click on the link below today.